So I'm out here today wondering a question that not many of you would ask, and that question is, what Mini would Batman drive? I know, weird question, right? So we're gonna find out today. I'm gonna do some research, and I think there might be one on the lot that'll fit the bill. But before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. So what we have here is the ideal Mini for Batman. And as you can see, it is quite the ridiculous car. It definitely stands out. For one thing, these gigantic rear wheels definitely make it easier to corner. These are actually Lamborghini Countach size wheels and tires, and they really stick out. And as you can see underneath here, there's the brake caliper. Holy smoke. There's the diffuser. And if you go completely underneath here, you can see the exhaust. This thing is amazing. Now here's this gigantic hood scoop. This valve here actually actuates it. So this works via vacuum to the throttle. So this actually opens when you blip the throttle. And if you open the bonnet, and it's heavy because this scoop is heavy, you have a 300 horsepower N18 turbocharged, upgraded turbo heat shield, forged hoses, AEM intake, and there's the hole leading into the scoop on the hood. Holy crap. This is metal, solid metal plate. This thing is heavy. Otherwise, from an interior perspective, it's a standard John Cooper Works Roadster. Very, very nicely appointed. Navigation. I love this pool table ball shift knob. It shifts really well. I've actually driven this enough to now know this. I really like it. It's really nice. Now, of course, as you saw in the videos earlier, this car's parting piece is what makes it insane. In retrospect, I probably should have warned you all to turn down the volume. But, nah. Look at these wings. This is insane. So this was added on earlier on. Then he decided he wanted another wing. So he added this one. So including the pop-up wing on the boot, there are 3 wings on the back of this car. So in all honesty, I heard that this car is a real handful to drive, so this is going to be terrifying. But let's do it. Well, I got sport mode on. Holy crap. Holy crap. This is like no other car, and it is terrifying. other Mini, and it doesn't sound like any other Mini, and it doesn't drive like any other Mini. Oh my God. Okay, I have to do another video after this one just talking about the owner. Maybe we'll get to meet him, because this car defies all logic. Oh my God. Okay, so this car has 300 horsepower. It's lifted up at the rear. Driving this thing is terrifying because it doesn't handle like it should for a front-wheel drive car. Oh my God. And if you're not holding onto the steering wheel, you're going places that you don't necessarily want to go. Oh my goodness. And because it's lifted up at the rear, I can't see what's out the back of the car, so there's no telling what's back there. There could be a police car, there could be a fire truck, and I wouldn't know because I can't see anything. Holy smoke. Well, it's dangerous and scary, but I'm going to take this around the Miriam Loop just because it's like no other car. Oh my God. I kind of like this cue ball shifter though. This is terrifying. Holy smoke. I swear, this car is gonna try to kill you. This is just squirrely and bouncy and holy crap. Oh. This is madness. This is madness in a Mini. This is the epitome of everything that there is with Mini being not normal. This is, the driver is just as unique as his car. Holy crap. This is, it's amazing what was done to build this car. It's just amazing, but at the same time, it is so ludicrous. Oh my gosh. This is insane. It really is insane. And I feel like it has more coming for it. Oh. Holy crap. I'm at a loss for words on this car. Oh my God. It is so hard to describe this car. Oh, I think you're getting more fun out of me, out of my expressions in this car than anything. But let's get back to where we were before, because I want to go over this whole thing with a fine-tooth comb and see what's been done to it. There is a lot more coming for this car. It is crazy. It is really just crazy. Now, I have other videos on our chassis cars, and I have one more video on this car even. So I want you to stick around, go check out those playlists at the end of this video, and enjoy more, or ridicule, whatever you want to do, because I understand not everyone likes this car. But go check out that video, go check out other videos I have on my playlist. I'll put a bunch of those up at the end. But I hope you enjoyed this all, and as always, life is too short to drive a boring car, so drive a Mini.